I would like to play with you one game.
Okay.
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 That she doesn't have a kid.
She's tall.
Yes. She's tall.
Deepika.
Oh my God. Oh man. It's really
Yeah.
amazing. You are
Yeah. Hello, good evening. How are you doing?
good evening too, ma'am. I'm doing well. Yeah,
You're
ma'am.
doing
What
well.
about you? Yeah.
Amazing. And how did your day go?
It has been going well. Yeah.
Okay. What was the worst part of your day? Tell me today.
There's no any worst part in my day, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. There's no worst part. Then what was the good part? That means your day went well.
Yeah, that good part is I talk with my friend and I do practice with them. I did practice with them. Yeah.
I
So
spoke to
speaking
my
that,
friend and I practiced with them.
yeah, I spoke with my friend and I
I
did
spoke
practice with them.
to my friends
Okay, I spoke to my friend
and I
and I did practice with them.
not did practice. I practiced with them.
Okay, I practice with them. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, how is it? What do you usually talk about when you want to practice your English and try to learn new things?
Just general conversation, ma'am, means something, not means any hard topic or yeah, only just general conversation. Yeah.
Okay, that's
So
good. That's good.
yeah. So ma'am, today I have something.
Oh,
So yeah. So want to. I would like to play with you one game.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
That that game about just you have to think about any celebrity name. Okay, ma'am.
okay,
And then I will ask you some question about that celebrity name. Okay.
okay,
And
okay,
then I will reveal that name. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So so it should be famous actor or actress. Okay, and it could be famous. It should be famous. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, done. Okay.
So
I thought of,
have you thought it?
yeah,
Okay, then uh, is he female or male?
female.
Okay. And one more thing, ma'am. And if I will ask a question, and at the same time, you can rectify my mistake.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
So she's female, right?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, uh, has she married?
Is she married?
Uh, and if
No.
I say to you, ma'am, has she married? So what is wrong here?
No, it's not. Has is just incorrect. It's is she married?
Okay.
Okay.
Is she married,
Has,
ma'am?
yeah.
Uh-huh.
No, no, she's not married.
She's not married. Okay. Is she more than 40?
No.
No. Okay. Is she work in Bollywood industry?
Does she work in the Bollywood industry? Yes.
Okay. Does she work in Bollywood industry?
Yes.
Okay. So, mhm. Does she live in Mumbai?
I think. I don't know, but I think.
Okay.
I
Does
think.
she belong in India?
Maybe not. Not
Uh,
sure.
she doesn't live in India?
She doesn't look completely Indian to me, and she has an accent, so I don't think
Okay.
she's Indian. Yeah.
Okay. So but does she work in Bollywood industry, right?
Yes, yes. She works in Bollywood. Yeah.
Okay. Uh,
I'll give you one more clue. She dances very well.
okay. Now I got it. I think. I think you are talking about. Recently, I forget her name. Uh, mhm. uh, Noor Fateh Ali. What is it called?
Nora Fatehi? No, no.
Noor.
But she also dances very well. I love her
Okay,
dances.
she's not.
No, no, no.
Okay,
It's not her.
okay. Is she work with Salman Khan?
Yes, yes. She has worked.
She's working.
Has
Okay,
she worked with Salman Khan?
okay. Has she
Here you
worked?
use has. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Has she worked with Salman Khan?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Has he worked with Amir Khan?
No, I don't think so.
No.
Not seen. No.
Okay. Has he worked with Shah Rukh Khan?
Mm, I don't know. I
No.
don't know. I don't know. I
Okay.
don't know about Shah Rukh Khan. But Salman Khan, she
Okay.
has.
Okay.
She's
So
worked with Jackie Chan. I know.
okay. So does okay, no problem. I can find. Uh, is she married?
She's not married.
Really? Are you sure, man?
Yeah, I'm sure. I don't think she's married. No.
But you are not sure, I think.
No. She's not married. I've never seen her husband as such. That's because I also don't follow Bollywood celebrities. But no, she's not.
She's not married. Okay. Okay. Is she work in Hollywood movie?
I don't know if she has worked in Hollywood movies, but I see her mostly like in Indian films. She dances very well. So try to think of that.
Okay.
She's so pretty and cute, and she's always smiling. Best part about her, always smiling.
Okay. So has she worked with Akshay Kumar?
Oh, I don't watch so many movies. So if you ask me,
Okay. Is she Priyanka Chopra?
no. Priyanka Chopra is
No.
Indian.
Yes, she's not Indian.
I
Okay.
don't think she's Indian.
Okay. Is she Katrina Kaif?
No, but you're close. Like you're close to the person because
Is she
she's
is she
similar.
is she belong to Sri Lanka?
Possible, I think.
Okay. Uh, is she
No,
Jacqueline?
no. Yes. Jacqueline.
Yes, she's belong Sri Lanka. Yes.
I thought so. I
Yeah,
really like her. I haven't watched too many movies, but anytime she comes on screen, like on
yes,
social media, I love watching her.
absolutely. Yes,
Very
nicely
good
done.
job. You guessed
Yes,
it.
yeah. So nice to my turn, man.
Oh, it'll be difficult. Okay, you should think of some very famous actor, okay? Because
Very famous,
I've
very
never
famous.
watched any movie, so it'll be
No
difficult.
problem. He or she is very famous in. Okay. So okay.
Okay.
Wait a moment. I'm
Okay.
thinking. Okay. Mhm. Uh, okay.
Do that? Okay. Is the
I'm
celebrity male?
yes. She is male. Sorry, he is male.
Okay. Celebrity is male. Is he tall or is he short?
He's not very tall. He's not very short. Means
Okay, he's
small.
medium heighted.
Yes.
Okay. Has he worked in too many movies or just few?
Uh, too many. Yeah, he worked too many movies. Yeah.
He has worked in too many
Yeah.
movies.
Yeah. He
Okay.
has worked many movie. Yeah.
In many movies.
In many movie. Okay.
Okay. Does he have like a lot of muscles and abs and works on his fitness? Or he's more of, no, like us, he likes to eat and chill.
No, he. I think he not now, but earlier days he has a six packs. Okay, and yeah,
He had six packs before earlier days. That means
before
he's
yeah,
old.
yes, he's
Okay. Is he
old.
above 50?
Yes, he's yeah, lump sum, ma'am. It is.
In his
He's
50s?
more than 45. He is more than 45.
45 for sure. Okay. Is he married?
Yes, he is married.
More than 45 and married. Okay. Does he do romantic films or comedy films or action films?
He does romantic movie.
Uh,
Most of the movie uh, he made romantic.
okay. Does he act next to Deepika Padukone?
Next means what?
I mean, with the next to means
Yeah.
co-star. Has he
Okay.
worked with Deepika Padukone?
Yeah, he worked. He worked with Deepika Padukone. Yeah, he worked.
Padukone, I think. Okay, he has worked. How about Katrina Kaif?
Yes, of course. You worked with Katrina
Katrina
Kaif.
Kaif.
Yeah, as well. Yeah.
Akshay Kumar?
No.
Oh, okay. Does he have kids?
Yes, he has a kid.
One kid?
No,
Many
he
kids?
not many. Many means what, ma'am?
Okay. Sorry. 2 or 3 kids?
What?
Does he have 3 kids?
Yes, he has three kids.
Shah Rukh Khan?
Now I think, yeah, absolutely. You got on
Yeah.
it. Absolutely.
Okay. Yeah. See.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you should ask even about this. What genre of films you could have asked, correct?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Although I don't know the answer because I've not watched Jacko Leeds films, but you can ask such things. So the language is better. The genre of films, the kind of songs, what are the hobbies? Does this person do
Absolutely.
something else apart from acting? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can think, ma'am.
I can think. Okay. Okay.
Is he male or female, ma'am?
Male?
Okay. Uh, what about his age? Is he more than 50?
Yeah, I would say.
Okay. Okay. His wife is also working in Bollywood industry.
No.
Okay. Is he work in Bollywood industry?
Does he work in
Or
Bollywood industry? Yes.
yeah, does he work in Bollywood industry?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, is he make reality show these days?
Does he make reality shows or is he making any reality shows?
Okay.
He used to. Now I don't know if he does, but he used to.
He used to. Okay. He is more than 50, right, man?
Yeah, I think mostly, but he's around that 45, 50.
Okay. So how many kids does he have?
I know that he has one son for sure. Other kids,
Okay.
I don't know about them.
All right. All right. So his kids also work in Bollywood?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. No problem. Does he belong to India?
Yes, he's Indian, completely Indian.
Does he belong to Mumbai? Does he live in Mumbai?
Yes, he does. He lives in Mumbai.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, then. All right. So uh, he has married and he has a one children.
He is married. He has one child.
Yes, he is married. Okay. So next question, uh,
My next question is.
my next question is like uh, what about give me some clue, ma'am, little bit.
Okay. He's completely into fitness and he gets up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, now got it,
This is a
ma'am.
big clue.
Yeah.
Everybody knows.
Yeah, he is Akshay Kumar.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, I forget he has a one kid. Yes.
He has one kid only, one.
Yes, he has.
And his son is into martial arts or something.
Yes, I think. Means I'm not sure.
Very impressive. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know completely about celebrities' lives, because I don't watch movies, but
Yes.
I know like through social media bits here and there. And I used to watch this Fir Hera Fairy,
Yeah,
Golmaal.
I forget to ask this kind of question. Yeah.
Yes.
Is it what? Yeah.
I forgot to ask. Again, I told you genre of movie. It's the most important, right? Even if you
Yes.
talk about singers, we ask which genre? Sad
Yes.
song, happy song, Punjabi song, what?
Absolutely, ma'am. Okay. So
Amazing.
now it's my turn. Then
Okay, your turn.
we have 4 minutes, right, ma'am?
Yes,
Okay.
quickly, okay?
Okay, then.
Okay. You thought of someone?
Yes.
Okay. Is she female? I mean, is the person male or female?
Yes, she's female.
Okay, it's a female. She is female. No, it's a female. Okay.
Okay, it's a female. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a female.
Okay. Has she acted in too many movies or few movies?
Not too many movie. She work in few movie.
Okay. She lives in Mumbai.
Yes, she live in Mumbai.
Does she dance well?
It average, ma'am. It average.
Average. Oh, is she a new actress, upcoming actress, or I mean, new
No, no.
actress or old?
She's old actor, but not married, not more old. Recently, uh, you can say, yeah.
30?
Yes, she's more than 30. Yeah.
She's more than 30. Okay.
She's
Uh,
married.
she's married. Okay. Does she have kids?
No, she doesn't have a kid.
She's tall?
Yes, she's
Deepika.
tall. Oh my God! Oh man, it's really
Yeah.
amazing. You are
Yeah.
amazing.
Yes, even though I don't know much about these celebrities, I'm able to guess. See?
Because you ask lots of questions, then you can find it. Yeah, that's great.
True.
Okay.
True. Even you should ask, okay? So next time try to, but you know what? I love the fact that you have come up with an activity where you can ask questions. It is
Yes.
so important, the art of asking questions. That is how we gain perspectives.
Yes,
Today you
ma'am.
did it in this small game. Tomorrow you can ask very serious questions.
Absolutely, ma'am. Yes.
Very nice.
That
I'm
is my
very happy.
problem, ma'am. That is my problem. When I will ask two questions, so I will I'm not able to ask question in a right way. So that's why I'm doing practice this thing. Yeah.
Okay, that's why I'm practicing. Again, do and practice. No, I
Okay.
practice. I do practice. No,
practice.
I
No, I
practice. I am practicing. We practiced. So there's no do over here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, but it's very
Absolutely.
nice that you know you. It's very important to know what we don't know, so we can
Yeah.
work on it. So
Yeah.
I'm very happy.
And sorry for that. We are not talking about the documents. I mean,
Oh, don't worry
okay.
about it. We don't have to go by it. Speak about what's comfortable for you. And you
Yeah.
made my life easy because you
Okay.
came up with the topic, right? And
Yes.
you came up with something fun and engaging where you could enjoy the conversation. And I was also enjoying a lot. So
Yes. Great.
it's very nice. It's very nice. Okay. How I think we have like about a minute left. So
Yes. Absolutely.
yeah. So tell me, what other kind of practice, what other way do you practice in?
Uh, I watch English movies. Yeah.
You
And
need to do something where you can elaborate. Okay. Not
okay.
form small, short sentences, but elaborate more. For
But
that, you
time
have.
has left, man. Time has left. We don't have time, so that's why I didn't elaborate. Yeah.
Okay. But next time I will make you elaborate on something. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You
Okay,
have to
ma'am.
pick up topic and you have to keep speaking about it for 15 minutes.
Definitely, no problem, ma'am. I will speak next time.
Okay. Okay. If you want, you can come prepared with the topic or I will pick one. Okay.
Okay, no problem, ma'am. So I think time is running out, ma'am. So it
Yes,
is lovely
sure.
conversation with you, and
Thank
we will
you.
talk later. Bye bye.
Yes,
Take care of
yes.
yourself.
Nice talking to you too.